Blowing the wind, yeah. How many room must a man walk down before you call him a man?
At the beginning, I told everyone that we had the world-class, amazing students, and the students really showed off. So they've been working so hard to show that what Martin Luther King talks about, which is peace isn't passive, it is action. And tonight, our students showed that through their dance, music, action, and so proud that our students did such a great job.
The energy, and the remembrance, we go from the moment of reflection to pure joy seeing our students dancing on stage. I was really moved by the opening act with all of the students representing a piece of history, and to see through the years, the strength and the resilience that comes through music, through art, and so to be here, it comes all together.
I think it's very important for Stockton Unified to continue to do what we're doing, and we're pushing equity, we're pushing equality. Especially for our African-American students who, we didn't have a voice years ago. Now we have a voice, and we're allowing our students to have a voice. So I'm definitely proud of Stockton Unified for allowing these events to happen.
We are all threads in a never-ending tapestry, not black and white, but living color.
They've been working so hard in the ELOP program and the after schools program to make sure that they're ready for tonight. We had a packed house, all because we know that we have to support each other.